Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting required documents now: government ID, business registration, and a recent utility bill. Once done, choose whether you apply as an individual or as a business. This changes required fields and verification steps. Make sure to have your GST or VAT number and company PAN handy, because the form asks for those right away. Then proceed to Metro's online portal or the in-store terminal and start the application form. Don't stall. Enter basic contact and address details first. Now focus on verification and the tricky middle steps. You'll upload clear document scans, ID front and back, business registration, and address proof so the system can match records. Next, enter authorized contact names, trade category, and preferred payment terms. This determines your initial credit limit or cash-only status. If Metro requires a credit check, consent when prompted. It speeds approval. Make sure to read the fee schedule and billing cycle before submitting, because those affect costs and cash flow. Finish by submitting the completed application and noting the confirmation or reference number. This is how you track progress. Once approved, expect card pickup at your chosen store or delivery by mail, activated online or by phone as instructed, typically within 7 days. If approval is delayed or documents are rejected, call Metro support and provide the reference number. Often you only need to re-upload a clearer document scan or correct a field. Keep proof of submission and follow up promptly to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.